Today I'm talking about the MAIWO M.2 adapter. So this is a plastic case. We can see it looks like an LED indicator there on the top. We have a slot cut in so we can see where it's going to stick in, but this one is actually going to stick in from the front. And it says NVMe Express, so we know this is for NVMe hard drives. There's a fairly short cable, and this is USB-C plug. So this will enter from the front. You can see that those pins are lined up, and we can plop that in. And if we plug that in, it did light up, so we know that we do have power. And it opened up right away, so we know that it is reading it, and it is reading those files. So let's go ahead and do a speed test. Okay, so we are getting 10 gigabit per second speeds for a sequential 1 megabyte 8 process 1 thread. We got a read of 159 and a write of 1042. For sequential 1 megabyte 1 process 1 thread, we got 821 and 840. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 263 302. And for the random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 40 and 80. So these are excellent speeds for a simple adapter like this. So if you're like me and you got hard drives laying around, you want to find out what's on them, this is going to be a great option for reading those hard drives at full 10 gigabit per second speeds. So that is an awesome adapter.